My name is Mike Bashara. I'm the Executive Director of the Miracle League of Connecticut. We're an organization that provides recreational, cultural, and educational experiences for children with any type of disability.
Playful facilitation is being in the moment.
Playful facilitation is meaningful and natural connections.
Today we were here for the facilitator training for the Birth by Birth program that we hope to bring back to us and apply the skills that we've learned today to start our own program in Connecticut.
Playful facilitation for me is letting your inner child out.
Playful facilitation is feeling the flow.
I think the possibilities are endless. Lego is such a universal language for children who have the ability to speak and don't have the ability to speak. All kids know Legos, so it's an opportunity for us to get them together, to work together, and to learn some social skills and learning opportunities through the play.
Playful facilitation is flexible and positive.
I had a blast. I'm sorry it's over. The day flew by so quickly. I wish it was 2 or 3 days.